Deep beneath the surface, the Earth is moving and magma is melting. The tectonic plates break and slide past each other, pushing up and creating volcanoes. Pressure mounts within the volcano as magma and gas combine and race towards the surface. The volcano erupts with massive force. In 1980, Mount St. Helens, located in Washington state, erupted with a ferocity that blew off the entire north side of the mountain and carried particles of ash across the country and around the world, polluting the atmosphere and killing all life forms within 230 square miles. Mount St. Helens is the largest eruption in the USA to date. Lava spews out of the volcano, incinerating everything in its path, destroying infrastructure and buildings. Ash, made up of particles of rock and glass, flow out of the volcano, covering large areas and causing buildings to cave in. Pyroclastic flows of lava and ash race down the sides of the volcano at over 300 miles per hour, destroying everything in its path. In 79 AD, the ancient city of Pompeii was buried by a pyroclastic flow of ash from the volcano eruption of Mount Vesuvius. The city is well known today for its amazing preservation and history held within the ash-coated ruins. Lahars often occur with volcanoes when water mixes lava and ash, creating violent mud flows over towns at high speeds, cementing and burying everything. Mount Rainier, located in Washington state, is known for its destructive lahars due to its large amounts of glacial ice. Gas and acid from the volcano combine to form a deadly combination of chemicals that turn lakes acidic and kill all vegetation in the surrounding region of the volcano, choking the trees. Volcanoes are the most explosive landforms on Earth and of the most deadly disasters.